everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. Today we're going to go on the Z Grill and we're making smoked mashed potatoes. You guys do not want to miss this as your side. Check it out. We're out at the Z Grill today. We got our red potatoes. We've got these washed already. All we need to do is oil them up, a little bit of salt. We're going to throw them right on the smoker. We are using our diaper thermometer today to check this out. We want to get these to about 205, 210. That's going to make sure that they're nice and tender and easy to mash.
Our super fancy
oil. A little bit of oil, a little bit of salt.
Some oily potatoes.
Well, you want to make sure they don't dry out.
Sure.
Give me a hand.
This is weird. Oh my god, okay. That's weird.
So, thank you very much. Holy canna. All right. And spread that around. Just top rack. We're going to take the biggest potato that we have, throw that in there to the line on the Tyfer. Right? There we go. We'll be able to keep control of them and see when they're done. I'm guessing it's going to be about 2 hours. Temperature on the grill is set at 250 degrees, so 225, 250 is about where you want to be, and smooth sailing from there. Alright guys, it's been about an hour and a half. I did crank up the temperature to about 350, and these things are done. Just going to put them in a bowl.
Ooh, hot potato.
Hot potato, hot potato. We're going to go throw some butter and milk with these things, whip them up, and try them out. So you can do this with russets or any kind of potatoes you'd like. We use the red potatoes because we like the skins on the red potatoes better than, well, most of the other ones. We're going to add some top the tater or sour cream. We're going to add a little bit of butter. The last thing that we're going to add is some of the Blackstone's cheesesteak seasoning. This stuff is awesome on almost everything we've had it. Everything. I've never had it on anything I didn't like it.
I think it's the best on potatoes. Anything potato.
Yeah. Give it a whip. Alright, we just added about 2.5 tablespoons of butter to this and probably about the same amount, 2.5, 3 tablespoons of sour cream. And this is really good. You could add some milk to this if you wanted to. We ran out of milk. And you know what? That's fine. I'll tell you what though. Wow. Wow, that is really good. That's like smoked baked potato mashed. This is fantastic. You could try that.
I will.
There you go. Smoked mashed potatoes today. Here at Coop to Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff here with us, they're over here.